Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ova Sonic in Roblox. First, you'll want to understand the unique visual characteristics of the Ova Sonic design, which often includes specific quills and shoe styles. Next, open your Roblox avatar editor. You'll need to find and select a suitable base body and then begin searching for accessories that capture that classic animated look. This process involves a few key steps to achieve the desired aesthetic. Now, let's focus on the main body and colors. Start by selecting a base body package that gives your avatar a lean, agile appearance similar to Sonic's build. Then, pick a head that fits the overall style. Crucially, you'll need to apply the correct colors. Use a vibrant, deep blue for the main body and a soft peach or tan for the muzzle and belly areas. This color combination is essential for an authentic look. Next, we'll add the defining accessories: quills, shoes, and gloves. Search for quills that have a more angular or spiky appearance, reflecting the Ova Sonic design. For the shoes, look for red and white sneakers, ideally with a yellow buckle or strap detail. Finally, equip a pair of crisp white gloves, which might feature a small cuff or a simple ring design. These elements are key to completing the look. To finish up, take a moment to carefully review your newly created Ova Sonic avatar. Check all the details, from the quill shape to the shoe design, ensuring everything aligns with the look you're aiming for. If anything seems off, make those final adjustments to colors or accessories. Once you're completely satisfied, save your custom outfit to your Roblox inventory. Now you can enjoy playing as your very own Ova Sonic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.